was one of the biggest tricks in the world. C-grab Indian air backflip. These boys are stepping it up. Javier going huge right there. Bamberg upside down and around. The little guy, knack. Everybody remembers Jeremy McGrath starting those things out. Suicide no-handed backflip. Come on, Sema, pump them up. One-handed Indian air. One-handed Indian air to rock solid. They're still going. Indian air backflip from Javier. No-handed backflip from Bamberg. Here we go, the little guy. Look at this, taking off, holding on to his seat. Seat grab bar hop. He actually invented that trick himself. Bilko standing straight up, holding on only by his toes. Shell hit backflip. Jonesy's absolutely sending it. Knack backflip right there from the four-wheeler. Sideshow, jumping off all the way, both. Oh, the one-handed knack. Let's see it. Gigantic cliffhanger, literally holding on by his toes. The whip flip, no! Bilko with a gigantic whip flip, sending it. No-handed can right there from Jones. Come on, these guys need to hear ya. Upside down and around from Garland. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, the Indian air flip, whipping that bike out.